Good morning, students. Today's video is from your grammar book. Before I start, let me show you your second term syllabus of English 1. You have two essays, Christmas, My School Library. You have comprehension, grammar fun from your reader book, letter, write a letter to your friend, offering him sympathy on his failure in the examination. Lesson 17, the verb. Lesson 20, forms of verbs. Lesson 21, the adverb. Lesson 24, the conjunction. Lesson 25, the interjection. Lesson 26, punctuation. Lesson 17, the verb, I have already completed in my last video. I completed the verb before the UTs. In today's video, I am going to teach you the different forms of verbs. Different verb forms are called tenses. Basically, we have four types of verbs. Base form of the verb, present participle form of the verb, past tense of the verb, past participle of the verb. Let us see one example from here. She eats an apple, eats present simple. She is eating an apple, eating continuous form, that is present participle form. She ate an apple, ate past tense form of the verb. She has eaten an apple. Eaten is the past participle form of the verb. Further, verbs are divided into two, regular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular verbs form their past tense and past participle by adding ed to them. Means agree, agreed, agreed, behave, behaved, behaved. Irregular verbs form their past and participle in a different way from adding ed. Means the spelling changes. Rather than ed, the spelling changes. Build, built, built, buy, bought, bought, sit, sat, sat, write, wrote, written. Class, what is a verb? A verb is a word used to express an action, state or possessions. A verb has two unique qualities. A verb has two unique qualities. Firstly, first quality is the change depending upon the subject. Second quality is the change depending upon the time of speech. Verb change depending on the subject. Let's see. When subject is first person I, second person you, third person she. With first person am, you are. Second person are, she is. She is used with the third person. So, I am tall, you are tall, she is tall. Can you see how the verbs changed according to the subject? Verb change on the time of speech. Time of speech means whether we are talking about the past event, present event or future event. Now let's see an example of time of speech. Mary comes here regularly. Mary came here yesterday. Mary will come here tomorrow. At different time, same verb change. Present tense, past tense, future tense. Basically, we have three forms of verbs: base form, past form, and the past participle form. Let's see some examples. Sing, sang, sung. This past participle form is sung of sing. Eat, ate, eaten. Go, went, gone. Prove, proved, proven. Swim, swam, swum. Other than these three forms, that is the base form, past form and the past participle form, we have two other forms also, like S or ES form, used when the subject is third person and is in singular form. For example, eats, goes. ING form, that is the present participle form. It is used when the work is continuing while we are talking about it. Means something which is continuously going on. That time we use the ing form, that is the present participle form. Now let's see some examples of the four kinds of forms of verbs. Your base form of the verb, present participle, that is the ing form of the verb, past tense of the verb, base form, past tense of the base form, and the past participle of the base form. Now present participle form of a verb is created by ing to the root word. It's used in the present, past and future progressive verb tenses. Something which is continuously happening. Past tense, Past tense is a tense while the past participle is a form of a verb and can't be used on its own. Past participle expresses completed action. It may have endings like D, EN, T and N. Some past participles remain the same as the base forms of the verbs. Behave, behaving, behaved, behaved. Fly, flying, flew, flown. Arise, arising, arose, arisen. Sell, selling, sold, sold. Do, doing, did, done. Come, coming, came, come. Be, being, was or were, been. Cut, cutting, cut, cut. Now it is very easy to learn. Just forget about this first, then learn like this. Behave, behaved, behaved means base form, past tense and past participle. Fly, flew, flown. And then you learn the present participle, that means ing form. So behave, behaving, fly, flying, arise, arising. Same way, cut, cutting. For more examples, go through the lesson 20 forms of verbs. In my next video, I will complete the book exercises of lesson number 20.